I did it.
Okay, good job.
I see you're still mad, fire in your eyes, and I respect that. But let's be civilized and just kick back and talk for a while. I got a couple things that I gotta tell you. I hope that you know that we're both in this together. I know things get tough, but that just comes with the weather. Through good and bad, baby, you make me better. Even though I never say it enough, but I never said I do love you. I never said that I don't care. This is too good to just let go. So baby, I'm still here for you, baby. I'm still here for you, baby. I'm still here for you, girl. I'll just be patiently waiting. Even though you act like you don't care, this is too good to just let go. So take my hand, let's get out of here. In this world so big, you're the only one I see. I could lose it all, but be okay if you're by me. Underneath that frown, girl, I know that you're smiling. I hope you see that we're meant to be. So I hope you know that I love you. I hope you know